that means it would be beneath my dignity to climb a tree. I'll never grow up, never grow up, never grow up. Not me. I won't grow
Tell mom I don't ever wanna grow up, even if money show up and the music gonna blow up. So what? Yeah, I will be young forever, man. Fly away with Peter Pan, highway to Neverland. I'm up late with Letterman, no bedtime. And who said better with age? Damn, no red wine. See, we just wanna stay kids in the city, opposite of adults. Shout out Chitty Bang, young and pretty, but we take away the picture books, break the little crayons and replace them with a sicker hook. And they be saying we naive and immature, but my rebuttals I couldn't agree with you more. We at the door, knock knock, then we break it down on the sugar high, so we're gonna play around. How this being famous sound? Pretty good, I guess. Run this playground game, call us King Recess. No stress, we kept the pretty girls laughing. Still the same now, but it happens to be through rapping. We snacking instead of napping like Captain Jack or Aladdin. We trapped in the Disney magic, stay back from the kitty havoc. Hey, monster and addict, be gone, sir, we had it. Kids and we living lavish, got tricks and we're not a rabbit scene. We're never growing up, boy, can't hurt to try. We at work, but we young, no shirts and ties.
I'ma do what I want to. Call me immature, so what? I'ma have this one wish come true. I won't, no, I won't grow up. I'ma have fun forever. Tell me that I can't, so what? I know being young is better. I won't, no, I won't grow up.
Being a kid has allowed me to groove, so I've been thinking about drinking from the fountain of youth. And while you're running around stressed, I'm just loud in my room, singing little short stories that'll keep me consumed. Cause right now, I feel on top of the world, and I'm really never coming down. So I'ma keep doing my thing as a kid, trying to live with my feet above ground. Yeah, tell me if I'm getting old, but you can't, cause I'm not. I'm in bed at home, dreaming of demons, images and fantasies. And you can picture my mind, no cameras please. He's like the coolest kid alive, growing ever younger on the Upper West Side, trying to survive with my eyes on the prize. Locked in the sage, finish line in disguise. Size, eyes roll, screaming Dougie, act your age. Look what you become, this is not how you were raised. Unfazed when they say there will always be a day when you throw away the young mind hiding in your brain. But me, I honestly beg to differ. I'm a young and running wild over rocks in the river. Simmer down, order in the court. My vision's God-given, man, Minority Report.
I'ma do what I want to.
I'm a new soul, I came to this strange world, hoping I could learn a bit about how to give and take. I'm a new soul, I came to this strange world, hoping I could learn a bit about how to give and take. I'm a new soul, I came to this strange world, hoping I could learn a bit about how to give and take.
Got the rap patrol on the Gap Patrol. Foes that want to make sure my casket's closed. Rap critics to say he's money cash holes. I'm from the hood, stupid, what type of facts are those? If you grew up with holes in your zapper toes, you celebrate the minute you was having dough. I'm like, fuck critics, you can kiss my whole asshole. If you don't like my lyrics, you can press fast forward. Got beef with radio if I don't play they show. They don't play my hits, well, I don't give a shit. So, Rap Max try to use my black ass, so advertisers give them more cash for ass fuckers. I don't know what you take me as, or understand the intelligence that Jay-Z has. I'm from rags, the richest niggas, I ain't dumb. I got 99 problems, but a bitch ain't one. Hit me.
I'm a new soul, I came to this strange world, hoping I could learn a bit about how to give and take. I'm a new soul, I came to this strange world, hoping I could learn a bit about how to give and take.
The year's 94 and my trunk is raw. In my rear view mirror is the motherfucking law. Got two choices, y'all. Pull over the car or bounce on the devil, put the pedal to the floor. And I ain't trying to see no highway chase with Jay. Plus I got a few dollars, I could fight the case. So I pull over to the side of the road. I heard, son, do you know why I'm stopping you for? Cause I'm young and I'm black and my hat's real low. Do I look like a mind reader, sir? I don't know. Am I under arrest or should I guess him up? Well, you was doing 55 and the 54. Lost the registration and step out of the car. You carrying a weapon on you, I know a lot of you are. I ain't stepping out of shit, all my papers legit. Well, do you mind if I look around the car a little bit? My glove compartment is locked, so the trunk in the back, and I know my rights, so you gon' need a warrant for that. Orange, sharp attack, some type of law or something, somebody important, sometime. I ain't past the bar, but I know a little bit enough that you wanna legally search my shit. We'll see how smart you are when the